We're there to help support the staff, mayor, public works director, everyone, and give them the technical support they need to have the confidence to make the decisions and quickly get to a response and answer they need.
Our goal is to provide unique solutions and a customer service experience that fosters relationships that last many years. While we enjoy the technical part of what we do, the problem solving, and other things that come along with being engineers, we really value those relationships that we foster.
When we are acting as city engineer, we're on an on-call basis. And so, it may be a call at 6 a.m. in the morning, or sometimes I've talked to the mayors late at 10 o'clock at night. So really, you just have to be willing and able, no matter when the call comes in, to address it, because you don't know exactly what their agenda is or maybe what they have going on. So being responsive and giving them that service really goes a long way.
So the way we handle workflow to be effective is obviously having a point of contact with the client, understanding completely what the problem is or what the issue is or what the goal is, and then identifying our staff in-house and who has the most expertise in addressing that issue or working with that project, and then giving them the tools they need to really perform the work they need to, and then ultimately coming back to that and having the elder staff or the people that are supporting the review of that project make sure there's a thorough review of that project, and then also meeting with client and helping them understand what we're showing in either addressing the issue on plans and make sure that meets the goals for the client.
It was nice when I did have that consultant I could lean on when, okay, it's like I need to get this done, but I don't have the time, I don't have the staff. Pick up the phone, call the engineer that you've already gone through the process of vetting and you've developed a relationship with, and go, hey, this is what I need.
So we're working for them all in different capacities. So the mayor, usually he's kind of at a higher level. He's looking at kind of global things for the entire city. Them going on to like public works, we recently did a resurfacing project, and that was kind of the mayor, city council, and public works. They knew they had some streets that needed to be repaved. So we got with the public works director and just worked 101 to kind of develop that. They had a kind of a rough skeleton of a budget, and so we helped them back into how many streets that budget would cover. Building inspections, a lot of our involvement with building inspections is doing plans review. A lot of times the city requires that you have a pre-development meeting. Anybody that's a stakeholder in the city will come to that meeting. That way the developer understands all the hot buttons or things that they need to be aware of, as well as the engineer of record will be there, and so they can understand, okay, here's some things I need to make sure I incorporate in my design.
We've worked on several projects for municipalities or other clients that have large infrastructure systems. We have worked on a sewer and storm infrastructure master planning, which would involve condition assessments, looking at flows on certain systems, sizing those systems to determine if any of them are undersized and need improvements, as well as looking at long-term expansion needs for those systems to serve upcoming growth opportunities.
Our focus on continuous improvement of the built environment in which we live and work gives us the confidence that we can become a trusted partner in supporting you and your municipality. So let's sit down and see how we can assist you.